Let us follow the class, my dear friends. Just now we have seen a page table. Entries are 2 power 20 and each entry needs representing 4 bytes 32 bits and its total size is 4 MB. 4 MB. 4 MB is very large, it cannot fit into a page size of 4 KB. Now we need to divide this page table into one more smaller page table. 2 power 20 we will divide into one more small table so that it can fit into any one of the frame. We will discuss this later. This diagram we have seen on the board. We will discuss this later. Now if you see, now we will continue. Number of pages of inner page table is equals to inner page table size. Inner page table size means this is inner page table. What is inner page table? Just now we calculated 4 MB. Inner page table size by page size. Number of pages. So 4 MB by 4 KB is equals to 2 power 10 pages. Okay, how many pages? So total is 4 MB total. In out of 4 MB, we will divide into 4 KB each page. How many pages are there? 2 power 10 pages. Understood? This is how we got 2 power 10. This 4 MB by 4 KB. 4 MB by 4 KB is equal to 2 power 10 pages. Out of 4 MB space, if we divide into 4 KB page size, we are going to get 2 power 10 pages. Now 2 power 10 pages, each page size is, my dear friends, each page size is 4 KB. Can be stored in the memory in different locations. Now, we will calculate now number of page table entries. Number of page table entries in one page of inner page table. What is this meaning? Inner is 4 MB, one page is 4 KB. Okay. How many entries? Number of page table entries in one page of inner page table. This is inner page table. In one page, how many entries? This is calculated by 4 KB by 32 bits. One entry represents 4 bytes. That is why one entry represents 4 bytes. So if you divide by 4 KB by 32 bits, then you will get 10 power 10 entries. For 4 KB, how many bits we need? 2 power 10 bits. Why? Each entry is how many? 4 bytes, 32 bits. Frame number we are seeing, that is 4 bytes. So 4 KB is page size. At each location we need 4 bytes, right? If you divide with this, we need only 2 power 10 entries for this. Okay. For this we need 10 bits. Now we'll calculate outer page table. Now we'll calculate outer page table. Now we got it. This 10 we got it. Let us calculate outer page table. Outer page table. Outer page table has how many entries? Of inner page table 2 power 10. These 2 power 10 are stored in outer. So 2 power 10 into each location how many? 32 bits is equals to 4 KB. This 4 KB we can store this table, outer table, directly in one of the frame. Frame size is 4 KB. So that we need, my dear friends, two paging schemes. One more table we require. Please let us see that, note down everything, this problem step by step in one page, and let us analyze. The thing is, the given LA 4 GB TB, from this we calculated of physical address and logical address. Previously, in the first table, using single table, we got 2 power 220 entries. This we cannot store into the frame, so we divided into subparts. One more we have taken. You see that. This is 2 power 10 means 1024 locations for this table and 1024 locations for this table. Okay, like this we can able to find out the desired location in the memory. Thank you. We will see the next problem in the next class.